The first step to winterizing your fountain vase is to unplug your pump and lighting if applicable. Remove the decorative gravel to access the pump cover. Remove the cover and reach into the basin to retrieve the pump. A quick pull to release the quick disconnect will detach the plumbing from the pump. You can let the hose lay inside the basin. We can now move forward with winterizing the vase. Drain the vase by pulling the standpipe assembly upward to remove it from the plumbing. Once you do that, you'll notice the water in the vase draining into the basin. This is a great time to clean any algae or debris from the vase to ensure it will not harden during the winter months. The vase should now be clean and drained of water. Clean the pump and place in an area for safekeeping until the spring. Removing the vase. Carefully lean the vase onto its side and disconnect the hose from the bottom side of the vase by simply releasing the quick disconnect. You may now move the vase to a garage or shed for storage. The remaining plumbing may be left in place for ease of installation in the spring. Using a fountain cover. We recommend you cover the vase with a non-permeable cover like the Blue Thumb Fountains covers. First, you will want to cover the vase opening with a piece of wood or other suitable material. This will ensure no water or snow can weigh the cover down into the vase and potentially freeze or even break the vase fountain. Once the cover is installed properly, you will want to snap the cover and tighten any excess material. The last step is to make sure the reservoir basin is 75% filled with water. This will help prevent the basin from popping up as the ground expands and contracts during the winter.